Well, first coat of water-based clear polyurethane is on. Good thing about the clear, it soaks into the wood, helps to seal the grain, plus it dries in about an hour. So in about an hour I can come back and lightly sand it, put the second coat on, and then once that's dry I'll lightly sand it and put my polyurethane on. Another project way overdue is this bottom storage section. I couldn't get into it. I was going to put a door on the outside above the bumper, but it'll interfere with my lettering. So what I've done is I've built a door just for here. So now I'll be able to get in there. I haven't finished it out yet. But I'll be able to get in there and store some light stuff, like my extension cords, my leveling blocks, chocks, little things, you know, that don't weigh a whole lot. And of course I've still got my storage on both sides here, which will hold probably blankets and sheets and light stuff. Okay, that's just another project that I'm working on. Gotta figure out a way to keep it from opening up going down the road. Probably a magnetic clip up under here. Maybe, I'm not sure yet. I'll have to figure it out. But now I've got that much more storage space.